Yo, what is good everybody? Welcome back to yet again another Minimal Mondays. For today's video, we have a very special announcement as Minimal is going to be dropping their everyday line. Now, if you're unsure of what that is, they're essentially affordable everyday basics. As you can see behind me, here it is. We have t-shirts, long sleeves, hoodies, as well as sweatpants, all coming in a variety of colors. They come in gray, tan, black, and cream. As its name entails, they are everyday wearables, so it's essentially a solid set for anybody that's in need of a great set of basics, or if you're just looking for the perfect cozy boy outfit, this is the line for you. Now, with all that being said, let's go ahead and jump into a little bit of detail about each specific piece. So to start out, we have the new everyday t-shirt, which is comprised of 100% pre-strung cotton. This specific tee is very soft and high quality, as it does have a fabric weight of 170 GSM, and this t-shirt does feature a very nice element as it relates to its construction. On the inside of the shirt, it does feature neck tape that goes from shoulder to shoulder, which essentially means that this t-shirt will not lose its shape. And that's actually a huge thing for me personally. I do throw my t-shirts on hangers and they tend to become kind of lopsided and stuff like that. That's not gonna happen with this t-shirt here. Now, as it relates to sizing, what I do find is that the t-shirts do fit somewhat oversized. Right now I'm wearing a medium, as you can see. It is on the bigger side. Honestly, I would have probably gone with a small for me personally, but this is just a way for you guys to see kind of how it would look on me if I was to take a medium. Now moving on to the long sleeve, it is going to be comprised of the same material, same weight as the short sleeve counterpart, but a few details make this t-shirt very special, and one of them being the 1.5 inch collar. It definitely gives off that athletic vibe, more of a rugged looking t-shirt. And honestly, I really do like what they did with this specific piece. As mentioned previously, it does fit boxy and oversized, which is definitely a very nice touch in my opinion. Just like the last shirts, it does feature a neck tape that goes all the way from shoulder to shoulder, which enables you to have a t-shirt that again won't stretch and will keep its composure through the duration of you wearing it. And next up, we have the new everyday hoodie, which does feature brushed French terry fleece, which essentially means it's gonna have a very nice weight to it while being extremely soft on the skin. In my opinion, this is the perfectly executed hoodie, as it does fit slightly oversized. Right now I'm wearing a size medium, and again, I probably could have gone with a small, but I feel like the oversized look is kind of a vibe right now. Like I said, it does have a very good weight to it, really good thickness, and the fact that the inner lining is brushed gives it a little bit more volume and fits really nicely, as the fabric weight is at 360 GSM. A very nice falling and fitting hoodie. Yeah, definitely well done on this piece. And last up for the set, we have the new everyday sweatpants. And just like the hoodie, it is comprised of brushed French terry fleece that has a garment weight of 360 GSM, which essentially means, as stated earlier, it's extremely soft and has a really great weight to it. Now, what makes these pants unique is that they do feature drop crotch paneling here at the crotch area, as well as they are a little bit more tapered than our athletic sweatpants. With that to say, I love how these fit. You can wear them with a plethora of different sneakers and they look really good. These pants are perfect for lounging around, as they are extremely soft and look really good. As you can see up front, the draw cord is going to be matching the rest of the pant, giving it that minimalist touch. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. I'd definitely love to hear your comments down below and your opinions on the new everyday line. As always, thank you so much for supporting the channel. Before you go, be sure to like today's video, and I will see you again next week for another Minimal Mondays.